Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in YouTube Kids. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your YouTube Kids and make sure you're logged in. Now tap on the gear icon on the top right corner. If you have set up parental security, then you will have to do the maths here to unlock it. Now your setting is opened. Now scroll down and find the option for themes. After tapping on it, you will be able to select your theme easily. But there is a problem with dark mode in YouTube Kids, that it is only available in certain countries. To get dark mode in any country that's not available yet, you should do my method. Open your notification bar and lock in your device theme option. Mine is located here. Tap on it to turn on dark mode in my device. And this should also turn on dark mode in YouTube Kids. It's that simple. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.